Hi everyone, my name is Justin and welcome to my course, Advanced Web Scraping Tactics, R Playbook. I am a mechatronics engineer and am currently an engineering professor at Sheridan College. Prior to this, I have many years of engineering and consulting experience across numerous industries. This course is an advanced level course for learning advanced techniques of web scraping with R, so some prior knowledge of R might be beneficial. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding web scraping with R, scraping a dynamic web page with R, and operating against web forms and authentication while crawling the web with R. By the end of this course, you will be proficient in the fundamental techniques required to crawl and scrape the web with R. From here, continue your learning by diving into R and data science with courses on R programming fundamentals, data science with R, and scraping your first web page with R. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to crawl and scrape the web with the Advanced Web Scraping Tactics, R Playbook course at Pluralsight.